Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix microphone echo on your Windows PC or laptop. If you're hearing your own voice back or there's annoying feedback, these fixes should help you out. Let's jump in. Alright, first thing, make sure your microphone is properly plugged in. If it's USB, try different USB ports on your PC. If it uses a 3.5mm jack, make sure it's in the microphone port, not the headphone port. This simple switch can actually cause echo issues. Now search for Change System Sounds on your search bar and open it. Go to the Recording tab and look for your device. After you see it, tap on your microphone. Now, after the properties open up, go to the Listen tab, look for an option called Listen to this device. Make sure this is turned off. If it's on, you'll hear yourself through your speakers, which causes that echo effect. Okay, now go back to Change System Sounds and tap on the Playback tab. In the Playback tab, find your microphone and double-click it. Go to the Enhancements tab and check the box that says Acoustic Echo Cancellation if you see it. If not, try checking Disable All Enhancements instead. Click Apply. And that's it. Your microphone echoes should be gone now. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.